Hi guys, today I'm making banana date breakfast cookies. These cookies have no sugar, no oil, and no flour. They're very healthy and so simple to make. First, you're going to preheat your oven at 350 degrees. This is what you'll need for this recipe. 3 overripe bananas, 1/2 cup of applesauce unsweetened, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 cups of quick oats, and 1 cup of chopped dates. You will also need a cookie sheet and some parchment paper. You're going to place your bananas into a large bowl and mash them. Now you're going to add your applesauce, your vanilla, and your oats, and you're going to combine well. Now add your dates and combine. Now you're going to take spoonfuls of your mixture and roll them into balls. Going to flatten your cookies with a fork. Then place them in the oven and bake for about 15 to 20 minutes. When your cookies are done, they should be a nice golden color. These are so soft and delicious, they make a perfect on-the-go snack. Let me know if you tried this recipe and how yours turned out. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching!